Construction zones change everything. Lane shifts, uneven pavement, tight barriers, heavy equipment, and stop-and-go traffic can turn a normal drive into a serious crash in seconds. And in Texas, these cases are rarely simple because liability may involve more than the other driver. A careless motorist can cause the collision, but unclear signage, unsafe lane transitions, or poor traffic control can also point to a contractor or even a public agency. If you've been hurt in a work zone accident, you deserve answers about who controlled the zone, what safety standards applied, and what compensation may be available for medical care, lost income, and long-term pain. At the Law Office of Joe Brad Borck, we dig into the details so you don't get blamed for hazards you didn't create. Call today to discuss your situation and protect your rights.